Hello, it's How To Not To, and in today's video I'll be running the calibration mode. What is the calibration? Well, it ensures accurate weight detection by the wash machine. So to begin, make sure the drum is empty before running the calibration, and you want to power off, then power on the wash machine. Yep, so what we want to do now is hold down the temperature button and the delay end at the same time for 3 seconds. So let's do that. 3 seconds. So this message should appear on the display screen, and the next thing to do is press start and pause to run the calibration cycle. Let's play and pause. So the drum will now rotate for 3 minutes. So when the cycle completes, 0 will appear and the washing machine will automatically turn off. And the wash machine now is ready to use. Perfect. Okay, that's it for this video. If you found it useful, then please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to be notified of my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.